Are you new to Shopify? Do you wonder which product you should start with to lower your risk? If you do, then keep watching this video. We will introduce to you top 5 products for print-on-demand business that you should sell on Shopify. But first off, we would be appreciated if you click on subscribe to support our channel. Number 1, Face Mask. Because of the latest pandemic, many countries have made official for the citizen to wear a mask whenever going to public sites. Afraid that people will leverage the scarcity of face masks to sell them at higher prices, social media has restricted these products for a while on advertisement channels. But since Facebook unlocks the restriction, allows people to run ads for non-medical face masks, this item sales volume amazingly increases. This is a great opportunity for you to start your business with stylish non-medical face masks to customers. All you need to do is creating a unique design. And you're ready to go. Number 2, Jigsaw Puzzle. This game is a big hit back in the 90s. And in recent years, the game is striking to return. Google Trends reported that in last year only, Jigsaw Puzzle had hit 800,000 searches on average search volume of the month. If you worry that you're a little behind, catch up this race by making personalized design. Just think about it, if you are the customer, would you like to play puzzle, using your own image? Number 3, Rug. For the last several months, there's a massive growth in search volume for rugs, which is recorded 700,000 searches on a monthly average last year. Many print-on-demand providers have added this product to their catalog to catch up with the trend lately. Obviously, for sellers, this is a good sign showing that you can launch a new product in your store. One more good news is that rugs can also easily designed as personalized art. So what are you waiting for? Check that out now. Next on this list, number 4 is blanket. Blanket is definitely an item that we all need in our sleep. Lately, blanket has also become a decorative item in families. This opens a potentiality for sellers, and also fulfillment providers, to come up with cool customized designs. And last but not least, number 5, laptop skin. With over 40,000 searches per month on Google, this item is definitely on the list of top products. Like phone case, laptop skin can also be designed. Top selling styles are mostly color skins and popular animation character design. But do you consider to sell personalized design too? Because that will be a very good idea. Why don't you try that out? So, here are the 5 top trending products for Shopify entrepreneurs. I hope you will find this video helpful to you. What product are you interested in? Comment below to let us know. And don't forget, if you like this video, a thumbs up would really help to support our channel. Teeinblue is a personalized product application on Shopify. If you're looking for a tool to help you with personalization, check us out on the Shopify App Store. For now, bye bye. I'll see you in our next videos.